Checking out a set of Banral. These are the 2406 flashlights. Come in a set. They're USB rechargeable. Each one comes with a recharger, so you can definitely split these up and give one as a gift. These have two modes, so they have a light out the front, and then they have the LED on the side. And they have a zoomable LED, that's pretty neat. They have a clip, so you can clip them to something, use it as a work light, and then a large magnet on this side, so you can magnetize them. So they take 3 hours to charge. There's USB charging on the back with this rubber cover. We'll go ahead and turn it on. And then we've got our modes, strobe, SOS, and 2 different modes of brightness. Oh, that definitely goes into a spotlight. I can actually feel a little bit of heat there, so that's definitely putting out some light. And then it also has this COB side, so you can run them simultaneously or independently. And this one has the white light, a red light, a blue light, warning like red and blue flash, and then it cycles off. Really impressive. They only weigh 170 something grams each, and they're all metal. Hope this helps. I'd like to thank them for sending us these to check out.